Welcome to another episode of 10X Your Company. Today's special guest, Dr. Justin Blaney. This guy's a speaker, he's an entrepreneur, he's a best-selling author of, get this, 6 books. You know, this guy's helped thousands of individuals and organizations increase influence and generate demand for their ideas, products, and services. Help me welcome Dr. Justin Blaney. Good to have you, bro.
Thanks for having me on the show.
Thanks.
I'm excited about this.
Have a seat. And you know, thanks for waiting. Thanks for letting me have you at the last second.
The last second.
Yeah.
During the Seahawks' loss, unfortunately.
Well, better than a win, right?
Yeah. No, that was cool. I was happy to get your text and excited to be able to make this work.
Nice, nice. So what's going on? Tell me about any wins you've had lately with, do you call them customers or clients?
Yeah. So recently we had a conference they were trying to get about 800 people to attend, and it's a leadership conference, and they were a few months out, only had sold 300 of the tickets that they needed to